Hello YouTuber and Viewmaster friend, 3D and retro enthusiast. We are very happy that you are here. Please keep your stereo viewer and the Viewmaster 3D reel set ready, which we show here in our video. Even if you don't have this 3D picture set yet, maybe you can just listen to our spoken text and imagine the motifs in your own fantasy world. Now listen to the following audio video while you take your time looking at the 3D images and switching accordingly frame by frame. This is the 3D Viewmaster adventure, The Lost World, Jurassic Park, Viewmaster Reel 1. Picture 1. A beach party turns ominous. Picture 2. The rescue party goes to Isla Soma. Picture 3. There, they discover Sarah with a Stegosaurus. Picture 4. It's just a baby. Picture 5. This is a Tyrannosaurus Rex nest. Picture 6. The baby Rex's leg is broken. Picture 7. The hunters have arrived. Viewmaster Reel 2. Picture 1. Dinosaur attack. Picture 2. We've got to leave right away. Picture 3. Sarah and Eddie splint the baby's leg. Picture 4. The mother Rex sees her baby. Picture 5. Rexes attack Eddie's AAV. Picture 6. Don't move. Picture 7. Ludlow hunts T-Rexes. Viewmaster Reel 3. Picture 1. Wandering through the dinosaur boneyard. Picture 2. Ian finds dying dinosaurs. Picture 3. Sarah and Kelly escape raptors. Picture 4. Trapped by a raptor. Picture 5. The raptor hisses and screeches. Picture 6. Ian carefully makes his escape. Picture 7. Ludlow has captured a Rex. We want to add new videos every day, and if you don't want to miss any of them, subscribe to our channel for free.
And press the little bell. We are also happy to have a thumb up.